wintry and snow-filled Prairie Sunset Ranch farm vlog. I'm Aaron, and thank you for tuning in, my friends. Well, this winter has been quite relentless. It is snowing and blowing. It is cold. It is warm. We were up to +2 Celsius yesterday. Night before that, -38, and Friday it's supposed to drop back down to -40 at night. It's been quite a winter so far out here. This yo-yo weather is horrible for livestock and calves. I've been doing daily checks to make sure I don't hear any coughing, wheezing, etc. But we've been keeping them nice and dry. We've been burning through the bedding, which is concerning to me due to the fact there's a shortage of everything out here. If you can even find bedding or feed out here, you'd be lucky, I think. Well, in this weekend's episode of Prairie Sunset Ranch, we gotta go down to the heifer side. And we gotta load those big calves up. We gotta hook up the cattle trailer. We gotta gather the calves up, separate them from the mothers in an efficient manner. We gotta load them in the trailer and attempt to drive them in the stock trailer back there. That should be fun. Dad and I are gonna do a walk around the main herd, see what's showing, see how far along they are, and if there are a few that are getting really close, we're gonna tag them, mark them, or bring them up front already. Might be a little bit early, but I'm gonna imagine by the time this video is out, a day or two later, I'll probably have a couple cows moved into the front there and waiting on calves, because with these pressure systems that are moving through, and it's just a perfect storm for calving. This is when they like to calve, is when the weather is yo-yo all over the place. So anyways, we're gonna get ready for that. Anyways, Aaron, that's enough chit chat. Let's bitter, batter, and get at her. Woo! We're hooked up to the trailer. We're gonna get the heifers and their calves into the little front corral area set up, and they're gonna guide them into the barn down the west side of the pole barn, and we're gonna have them go into the stock trailer. That's the plan. Is it gonna work out that way? Very well, might not. Stay tuned. We just dropped oats and the calves came running in. So. Whoa, hey. Hey, ready for the full cow. Yep. Here, Dad, open it. Yep, there we go. Okay, blocker. Is that a calf? Yeah, that's a calf right there. Yep. Here, Dad. Let's go. Here we go. Just let her in. Here's another guy. Here. Let's go. Okay. Here's two more. Watch out, Rich. Okay, here's another guy. Yep. Yeah. Little guy. Yep. Okay, Rich, come back here, and we're gonna push it this way. Yeah. Just go up behind it, by that snow pile. Yeah. Okay, Dad, move out. We're gonna push him. There's two more here. Here's one. This guy, right here. Let's go. Yep, perfect. Okay, Rich, come here. I'm gonna get this little black guy. Okay. All right. Come on there, Black Beauty. Let's get going. Yeah, that's all right. Just let her go. They're tame. We'll get them in. I think that's all of them. I'm gonna double check. The one runt calf to come in. So this calf was the calf born by that 11-month-old heifer. So that's the kind of calf you get. And they get bred too young. You know, he's very young, but he's a runt. Like, this is, if that was from a cow, it'd be a call for sure, but you know, it's not her fault. Okay, I got a little guy coming around. Because I'm going to come around, he's going to come out here. Yeah, just down there. Little guy. Put a little more pressure on, Rich. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. There you go, little guy. Watch that calf. It's gonna sneak through. Okay, let her out. Just watch it, Dad. Yeah. Watch that calf's gonna sneak out. This guy. I'll come around. I'll move these two big guys. Hello. 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 Hello, my friends. Here, Mama. Watch out, Mama. Watch out, Mama. Come on, Mama. Let's go, girl. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, girl. Let's go, pretty girl.
Here's a prime example of a very tame cow kicking and narrowly missing me. So I always keep a safe distance from behind an animal, especially cattle, because this is a tame cow and she took a big wind up at me.
No. Here. Hey. Watch out, she's a kicker. Okay.
Oh gosh,
Okay. A few more calves in here than I thought. Look pretty good though for heifer calves, first time calves. I'm impressed. With the exception of Runty. Let's go. Watch out, guys. Yeah, let's go. Watch out, Dad. You gonna bring her around? Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, I'll bring her now. Yeah. Watch out, Dad. Watch the gate there. Hey. No. No. Perfect. Here we go.
Come on.
Let's go. Oh, look at this prime runt. Poor cow. Let's go.
They don't want to go against the grain. They'll go that way.
Let's go.
They don't
Come
want
on.
to go that way. They don't know what to do.
Come on. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. These guys are actually fairly tame for calves.
Yeah, they are, yeah.
I work with them quite a bit,
This
so
one here is too tame.
yeah. Let's go. Come on, guys.
You know, they might all go in one load.
Well, they're only going a minute across the road, so
Yeah, if you can.
yeah. Oh. One wild one, eh? A steer. You guys didn't see that. Ladies, gentlemen, let's go. Let's move. Move. No. Watch out. Watch out. Let's move. Watch out. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Gotta clean out this area. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
How does it look?
You know what? Let's close her up. Here, watch out. Yeah, we'll do 2 loads. Let's go. No. Watch, I don't like that. That green one will go right through you. Yeah. Let's get that guy in there. Let's get that guy in there.
Yeah.
For sure. Watch out. Yeah. Guy's a kicker. Yeah. Frickin' snow. Come on. Trailer. Going to get the tractor, pull the trailer out. This is just nightmare. Can't walk anywhere. Gotta crawl. Oh, God. Telling you. Holy. Like, how's a guy supposed to walk in this? Tractor's still piping hot. I just put it away about an hour ago. If you don't go where you cleared, you're just gonna sink, even with this rig. All right, let's have the short end. Grab that end. With it? Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. Okay, well just go and drive. Don't give her lots of gas. Give her a little bit. I should pull. Just fill the trailers out. Those of you that know me know that I have Ukrainian lineage. Well, you're gonna really see it right now because I'm gonna use a roundtail. I'm gonna push this freaking thing out because I'm pissed right off and it broke my toe strap. I love the snow, but holy shit. Just sick of pushing it, sick of getting stuck in it. Ukrainian way to get a cattle trailer unstuck in the winter. Telling you. Here's something else. Just drove him in. We're just gonna open it up and back straight out because there's nowhere to turn around out there. Come on. Out. See? Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Round 2. Freaking stuck again. I just caught the powder. I couldn't get back onto the plowed part. And there's like 12 feet of snow, so it's just... Well, here we go again. last 2, 3, 4, 6 girls. They're quiet. It's a quiet crew, so come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Tried to kick me. Haha! You missed. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Let's go. Nope. Hey. Hey. Let's go. That's right. Turn around. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yep. Watch out, Dad. Wait, this guy. This guy. He wants to spin. Spinaroonie. Wants to give us the old spinaroo. Well, we got the last 6 girls loaded on. Nice looking crew. There's the one runt calf, but besides that one, I like the looks of all those calves. They all look really great. For first time calvers, heifer calves, they're beautiful looking. Here we go. Last group to be dropped off. Right here, we don't need to use that. Hello, girls. Is that enough room for you? There. Calf yard's filling up again. Got another, well, that was 15, yeah. Another 10 to 12 calves to put in here, and then we're done for the year. These guys. Right on. Good day. All right, the boss man and I we're taking a look at the cows because they were put in with the bull June 19th. That gives them 283 days, I believe, around February 19th. So another 10 days or so. So you gotta go take a look, see how far along these girls are, and see if there's any signs of anything that's gonna calve a little bit early. But we'll start to bring them in pretty soon, eh? What do you figure, Dad? About 5 days before we're due, probably. We should probably bring a few in.
Angus calf earlier.
Yeah, Angus, like Dad said, Angus calf a little bit earlier, so you always got to be on your toes with these girls. She's got no calf, but she looks like she's
filling out.
She's filling out, yeah. This red Angus with the tag in her right ear. I'm gonna probably bring her in a few days. She looks like she could be getting close. Well, this time of year, Dad and I will always come through here. I always keep an eye on them, but we come through and yeah, these cows. I guess in the next couple days here. Yeah. Dad, look at this one's milk bag. Look at this milk bag. That guy's definitely not hung like a Tic Tac. He's got the kahunas the size of soccer balls. Yeah, this young girl, she's got a big calf. I'm gonna watch this one. She's big, but she's not too close yet. But this is what I was talking about, the barley bales. You don't want big calves. You don't want oversized calves. But what can you do? In a feed shortage, you gotta feed the animals so they're not hungry. Look what they're eating here now. They mixed up some alfalfa with their slew hay. Look at this. You got this variety. Bulrush and alfalfa. But that's what you gotta do. You gotta mix it up so they eat everything. They've been doing well. They look great. Why is he worked up? It's usually quiet. I think I see 2 that we could bring in already. That first red girl and that blaze face girl. She's got a calf. Yeah. That might even be her calf. The Angus, don't go just by the bag or the udders, because younger Angus won't bag up. They don't necessarily have to bag up. They can, but they can surprise you. Small bag, boom, they got a calf. So this girl that was walking away, we're looking at her, she's poofy. You can see from behind, she's your prime example. This could be an early calver. I want to see her face so I know who she is. I got those two other on camera. I'm going to take a look at, actually recognize them. Can't get in front of her. This is a younger red Angus girl. Not a monster. This is your prime example of a cow that will could probably calve early. So I'm going to keep my eye on this girl. She's very poofy, bag starting. She's another one. So that's 3 that got to go in here in the next few days. I'll bring you guys along when I bring them in. It's just a little early yet. Probably going to bring them in after you guys see this video, probably a couple days later. But I'll show you how we bring them in. It's pretty simple. Holy, this girl is just a... Look at this tank! Holy shit, she's big. She's huge. No bag. Maybe she's bloated a little bit. Boy, she looks fat on the right side there. See that? What the hell is going on there? She could have ate a little too good. Yeah, I'm not feeding them up today. I'm gonna give them a break. They can eat up this poor hay. They ate a little bit too good yesterday, I think. There's 3 for sure, but...
Yeah, well, you got the bulls out late, eh?
Yeah, June 19th, yeah. No, nothing really going on here. Big. Nope. That's 4, yeah. This red Angus girl, yeah. Holy, she's got a big bag. She's getting a little sloppy from behind, not bad yet. But, so that's 4. Yeah, definitely. Definitely I'll want to bring her in earlier. But I'm sure the rest will catch up pretty quick in these circumstances. Yeah, she's got a calf.
Oh, I better take her away.
Yeah.
She's got a big belly.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that the next couple days. I'll get these calves out. There's just a couple really young calves, so but they can be pulled already.
Yeah.
They can be pulled. There's about 4 or 5 that were on the pasture really late, but they caught up pretty good. I noticed they need less and less their mom. I think they can be weaned like as soon as possible. Probably the next few days we'll do it. April's cow, she loves this cow. She's a nice girl. She's a good mom. We love her. Black Beauty here. Hey Beauty. She likes pets once in a while, not too much though. Well, 4 that we're gonna do another walk through another few days, probably another 4 days, 5 days, see if anything else bags up. But once that front area is done, we'll start feeding them separate, bring them up front, and just prepare, because weather is changing from north wind to south wind to +2 to -2 to -42. So we just can't have a cow. We can't risk a cow dropping a calf in this kind of environment. It's just crazy. It's just too crazy this year. So we're going to be bringing them in a little bit early this year. But there's actually less than I thought. I only saw the 4. Dad, how many do you see? I saw 4 now. Yeah, so Dad agrees. He taught me everything I know if he can spot them from a mile away. So if he agrees with me, then I think we're good with only the 4 so far. We probably missed 1 or 2, but we're gonna do a real good walkthrough next week, and we're gonna definitely start getting them in. So what we'll do is we'll probably feed a bale out front there, and we'll lock that gate, and we'll lock that gate so they're stuck in the middle, and then I'll wait there, and we'll just get them in through the gate, just shoo them in and lock them up in the front. Hello out there, we're on the air. Hockey game tonight. Is that Wayne Gretzky? He will rock you. Oh, through the 5 hole. Through the 5 hole.
Body check them.
Go. Oh. Oh, here I got it. saved! I saved it! Oh, double saved! Oh, saved! Save, save, save! Oh! Oh! Good shot, youngster. Watch out, Hoyt.
Me and you are on the team, Dad.
What's that?
Pass it to me. Me and you are on the team. Me and Dad are on a team.
You and me, we're fantastic. Well, just like the sheepers alfalfa pellets, I am done. This is Aaron throwing in the towel. We will see you next weekend with an all new Prairie Sunset Ranch farm vlog. Be there or be square, my friends. Once again, have a great week. Take her easy. Bye for now.